Hi everyone, this is Annalisa. Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you this pour that I did where I layered my colors side by side and then topped them with several colors drizzled over the top. I started with Pink Carnation, ColourArte Pink Carnation, followed by ColourArte Mother of Pearl, followed by ColourArte Sea Dancer, followed by ColourArte Cosmos, followed by Tropical Splash, and Amber Wing, which has turned into one of my favorites. It's just got a really awesome dual tone. And I followed that up with ColourArte Snapdragon and TLP Lagoon and ColourArte Spice Plum mixed with Golden Quinacridone Magenta and Dioxazine Purple. And I topped that off with my cell activator. And just so you guys are aware, I am a ColourArte affiliate, and right now ColourArte has a summer savings sale. During that summer savings sale, my affiliate code will actually get you 25% off. I've included a link in the description below if you would like to check it out. Anyway, so here I'm blowing out my bloom with my world's smallest blower. I feel it's important to note that I use the orange blower, not the green one. I have heard from several people that the green one that is battery powered, it does not blow as well. And so I like to make sure I pass that information along so nobody gets it and is sad because it doesn't work as well. So I do have a link in the description if you want to check out the one that I use. I'm also getting ready to test out another one that is quite a bit cheaper actually. It's about half the price, but I haven't gotten the chance to open it and test it out yet. So I'll let you guys know when I do open it and test it out what I think of it, because I'm really excited and hopeful that that will be a good replacement. Plus my old one's kind of caked in paint. I don't know how much you guys can see. I go through those pretty quickly just because I'm really hard on them. But they do last like 6 months to a year actually, so they last a good amount of time. I am now using my embossing tool to create my swirls, and I also have a link in the description below to a set that is similar to the one that I use because I have been asked several times. So after I spun this one out, I wasn't completely 100% thrilled with the end result. So I decided to go in and play with it some more with my embossing tool. And that's kind of one of the things that I really enjoy about the embossing tool the most, is that I've got several different tip sizes. And so I'm able to go in and find the right tip size for the different swirls that I want to do. Or if I'm trying to fill in areas, I have a thicker tip. This one that I'm using right now is a super fine tip, and it just makes it a lot easier to create the swirl when it's already completely spun out. I do like to try my hardest to still have a spin or two after I'm done with swirls though. I feel like it just kind of helps settle the paint a little bit better. So that's something important to note, that really does kind of just help finish it off. But sometimes you can get it perfect and you don't even need an additional spin. But a lot of times I find it's really helpful. Anyway, that's my pour. I hope you enjoyed it. If you are not already, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to give it a like. Anyway, have a wonderful day. Thank you.